O yun na oh. Si Putalong oh.
Palong! Baka magkulit. Marunong ko sumabay sa ano, base, di ba?
Yung talong niya ano.
News event 208, boys 10 and under, 50-meter butterfly, heat 1. Swimming in lane 1, Ethan Riley of Kulan Aqua Spring. Lane 2, Dylan Carlos D of Topas Aquatics. Lane 3, Isaiah of PCA.
Go, Dylan!
Lane 4, Fritz Ian of Pro Troy. Lane 6, Marilyn Kent of Beta Caloocan. Lane 7, Joe Lupang of Pro Troy Swimming Team. Swimmers for event 209 and 210, please proceed to the red event now. Once again, swimmers for event 209 and 210, please proceed to the red event now.